Stewart. Give me 2 seconds, guys. It won't be long. Site number 17.
Basta ako nakita ng kasama ko series, pinikip ako sa bahay.
Ngayon, ang tanong ko. How do you like your eggs?
I would challenge anybody to find a greater gravel track than what you guys are going to ride today. This is my favorite loop that I've ever built for the Reggie Ramble, is what you're going to ride today on loop number 1. So really, we got another rider coming in on the 200. Way to go, keep it up. Nice one. You see me on the internet all the time, and I'm sure you have a blast watching all my videos, but there's an awesome team here today. They're all wearing the pink Reggie Ramble t-shirts. If you see one of those people today, whether it's at the food tent, parking, the registration, handing out the badges and the beers this afternoon, say thank you, because they're the ones that have actually made this event such a great day. And
Have a nice ride! Have a nice ride!
Happy birthday, Shane!
Have a nice ride! Happy birthday! Grabe, lalaki ng bato. Ang ahon pa. Talagang ambush. Kailangan mo lakarin. Hindi pwedeng pidalan. Mabalentong ka dito o tutumba ka. Laki ng bato eh. Layo rin to bars ah. Parang mga 500 meters din ah. Walang nakapadyak sa amin lahat ah. Lahat naglakad eh. Ha?
Wala talaga nakakaahon dito.
Downhill to, puros bato din. Mark, downhill, puros bato din.
Ito, pwede na itong sakyan. Tingnan mo, oh. Opposite direction talaga tayo.
Oh?
Opposite direction? Supposed to be dito tayo pupunta eh. Okay lang, basta alam na ako. Dito talaga yun. Ito yun.